Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a business email with Google account. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta open up your browser and then just go ahead over to workspace.google.com. Hit on enter, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead and click on start free trial. Okay. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, it will say start fresh right here with a new account. For a custom email, but you'll have to use one of your hosting service right here, just like GoDaddy, Squarespace, or Hostinger, which is pretty hard to do. But if you can do it, well, create a new account from here. If not, you can just basically upgrade this account, your own email account, into a business account. And you could also use the feature, which is the custom email, like this one, right? So click on update this account, and then go ahead and select maybe annual or just monthly. All right. And then once that's done, click on try at no cost. Premium features right here, 2 TB storage per user, custom business email, and some other options. Now you can compare plans right here. You have starter, standard, plus. If you want to use starter, well, go ahead and try it, as all we got to do right here is basically use the custom business email. All right, so wait for the review and checkout page to load. Review the details right here, and then scroll all the way down. Click on agree and start 14-day trial. Now you go ahead and set up your custom email. So I can't do it because I'm currently a family member or from a family group. If the case is the same for you, you could go ahead and leave the family group or create a new business account. So in the next page, you'll be able to see a registration page. All right, that is where you need to go ahead and buy a domain outside Google, or just use Google's domains. All right. As if you want to purchase the domain directly inside the Google Workspace and setup screen from here, Google handles the hard part. If you want to go ahead and use, for example, Hosting or GoDaddy or whatever, you'll have to set it up manually. So it's your choice. So that's basically it. That is how you create a business email with Google account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.